Hi guys, Rachael Cook, Doctor of Audiology at Applied Hearing Solutions in Phoenix, Arizona. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you why your disposable hearing aid batteries keep dying so fast. Coming up. If you were fit with hearing aids over the last 6 years, you were faced with a choice: lithium-ion rechargeable hearing aids or disposable battery hearing aids. While lithium-ion rechargeable hearing aids now make up 80% of the hearing aid market, disposable battery hearing aids continue to be a great option for many hearing aid users. Disposable hearing aid batteries can be replaced at any time, last between 3 to 10 days depending on their size, and are easy to purchase nearly anywhere at drugstores, big box retailers, and even online. The convenience of getting a full battery of charge anywhere at nearly any time makes them a fantastic choice for those that don't really want to be tied down to a charging schedule, or for those that do a lot of Bluetooth streaming that can eat up battery pretty quickly. But nearly every disposable battery hearing aid user has experienced a time when their brand new battery didn't seem to last very long. When this happens, you may be wondering if you did something wrong, if you got a bad batch of batteries, or maybe even if your hearing aids are broken. That's why today I'll be telling you the 5 reasons that your disposable hearing aid batteries are dying so fast and what you can do to fix it. And if you have rechargeable hearing aid batteries, hang tight, because I'll be telling you the 5 reasons your hearing aid batteries are dying so fast in my next video. But before we dive in, if you could please take a second to give this video a thumbs up, it really brings videos like these to a wider audience. And of course, if you have not yet already, make sure to hit that subscribe button with notification bell so that you never miss any one of our newly released videos. Modern disposable battery hearing aids use Zinc Air batteries, from the smallest size 10 all of the way up to the largest size 675. The size of the battery is dependent on the hearing aid style, such as an in-the-ear hearing aid versus a behind-the-ear hearing aid, as well as the power requirements of the device and how much Bluetooth streaming is happening. All Zinc Air batteries are sealed with a color-coded sticker indicating the size of the battery. But these stickers serve an even more important purpose. Once this sticker is removed, oxygen mixes with a zinc compound within the battery and a chemical reaction occurs. This reaction creates a charge to power hearing aids, and that charge remains steady until the chemical reaction stops, with the hearing aid battery dying almost immediately. Depending on the size and usage, hearing aid batteries can last anywhere from 3 to 10 days. But what does it mean if your batteries are only lasting a few hours or even dying unexpectedly? First, you may not be allowing your hearing aid batteries to fully activate. Because hearing aid batteries need oxygen to interact with the zinc compound in order to create a charge, it's important to give your hearing aid batteries enough time for this reaction to take place before enclosing them within the battery compartment. This process can take anywhere from 30 seconds to 3 minutes, but many people make the mistake of pulling off the sticker and immediately putting it into their device. To a hearing aid battery, this can almost act like putting the sticker right back on, cutting it off from the oxygen that it needs to work. We used a battery tester in office to see just how much air up time was needed to reach 100% charge. And at 30 seconds, the hearing aid battery was only at 40% charge. When tested again at a minute, the battery was still only at 60% charge. But after a full 3 minutes, it finally reached 100% charge. If your hearing aid batteries are dying faster than expected, make sure you aren't peeling off the sticker and placing them right into your hearing aids. Be sure to give them the full 3 minutes to activate. The second reason your hearing aid batteries might be dying so fast is the way that you're storing them. Batteries of any kind, but especially hearing aid batteries, are sensitive to extreme temperatures and do best when stored in a cool, dark place. Hearing aid batteries should not be stored in a refrigerator or freezer, and most definitely should not be stored in extreme heat like a car glove box or center console. Both of these temperature extremes can break the adhesion between the sticker and the battery itself, activating it before you're actually ready to use it. The third reason your hearing aid batteries are dying so fast may be due to debris or residue within the battery compartment. Any debris, but particularly the oil from our skin, can work its way into the battery compartment of your hearing aids, coating both the battery contacts and the battery itself. If this oil coats the battery's oxygen receptors, The chemical reaction that creates a charge is unable to take place. This is especially true for invisible in-the-canal hearing aids that sit deep in the ear, but can be true for all styles of hearing aids. To avoid this happening to you, be sure to ask your hearing healthcare provider how and when to clean your battery compartment. Depending on the hearing aid style, you may need to see your provider for regular cleaning and maintenance, using tools you may not have and techniques you may not be able to do yourself. The fourth reason your hearing aid batteries are dying so quickly might be because they're expired. Like many items sold in stores, hearing aid batteries do have expiration dates on the front or back of the package. It's important that you check these expiration dates, especially because so many retailers sell expired hearing aid batteries. And no, it's not just a fluke or only happening at one store. Check out this video by Dr. Kelsey Beck highlighting just how many hearing aid batteries are sitting on shelves today that are expired. Crazy, right? So make sure that you're checking your hearing aid battery expiration dates before leaving the store, or your batteries may die much faster than you thought. The fifth and final reason why your hearing aid batteries are dying so fast is because you need better batteries. Like all things we purchase, there is certainly a good, better, best. And when it comes to batteries, not all are created equal. While they may be available at a better price point, many of my patients experience a shortened battery life with generic batteries purchased in bulk from big box retailers. At a slightly higher price point, you can purchase batteries that are intended for high drain devices that won't need replacement nearly as often. In our office, we have had great results with the Rayovac ProLine Advanced batteries, and we will have a link in the description below if you'd like to try these batteries out for yourself. The initial savings from buying cheap batteries disappears quickly when you're replacing them twice as fast as the better brand. So if you're experiencing faster battery drain than expected, first start by verifying the expiration date on your batteries, cleaning your battery compartment, and ensuring you've waited a full 3 minutes for the batteries to activate before placing them in your devices. If you've already completed those steps, you may consider purchasing a cheap battery tester like this one to confirm that your hearing aid batteries actually have an appropriate amount of charge before requesting a battery drain test from your provider. Assuming your provider has access to a hearing instrument test box, they will be able to test your devices to ensure that they're not pulling more charge than they should be, and they can help facilitate a repair if so. Overall, disposable battery hearing aids are a fantastic option for users who want the peace of mind that they can immediately replace their dead hearing aid batteries with new ones at any time. With care and attention to how you purchase, use, and store them, you should have no trouble extending the life of your disposable hearing aid batteries. And if you've got rechargeable hearing aids, make sure you stick around for next week's video where I tell you the 5 reasons why your rechargeable hearing aid batteries are dying so fast. That's it for this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share it with someone that you feel could use it. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button with notification bell so that you never miss any one of our newly released videos.